to my idol. I wish you have a lifetime to smile and happiness and love. I pray to God will you grant you long life and health, good health, and always together through everything. It's your special day. Enjoy every moment of your life. I'm so blessed and grateful for having you as my friend. It's not about your birthday. It's also about we made. I wish you greetings and Mrs. can express in the world that amount of genuine love and to know and to know that no matter what happened, we still be my friends through good times and bad times. Once again, happy best birthday, idol. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, BFF. Be strong and I love you. Ingat palagi. Kaya mo yan, laban lang tayo. Laban lang.
Happy birthday, RM. Enjoy your day. And God bless. Ingat ka palagi. Ingat sa mga manluloko. Joke lang. Pero alam ko na matatagpuan mo yung lalaking karapat dapat sa'yo. Yung deserve mo. Yung magiging masaya ka. Thank you kasi nakilala kita. Di man tayo matagal magkakilala pero feeling.
Hi TRM, happy birthday. Salamat nakilala ko kayo sa GC. Maraming salamat. Sorry kung umalis man ako sa GC. Di na ako magdadrama. Happy birthday, more birthday to come, and thank you to all of you.
What's up, RM? Happy birthday. Wish namin sa'yo na sana marami pang birthday darating sa buhay mo. At sana stay what you are. Good health palagi. Keep safe. At sana makita mo na yung the one mo. Pero wag kang madali ha. Baka magpakatanga na naman kayo. Wag mo nang hanapin kung saan na yan darating. Basta enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Andito lang kami bilang kaibigan mo. We love you, RM.
Magandang umaga. Happy birthday po, Ate RM. Sana lagi kang masaya. God bless.
Hello, Miss RM. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special days. Not only today, instead every day. Stay what you are. Straightforward girl. Di ba yung una kita nakilala, yung prangka. Ayun, yung naging dudes, naging lodi kita kasi nga prangka ka. Ayan, just like what I said, may itsura ka. Kaya mo yung mga ibang lalaki na dadating ng pusa sa'yo, yung hindi pa iiyakin yung puso mo para hindi ka na mabroken. Ayan, happy birthday again.
Yun, happy birthday to you, RM. God bless you and more birthdays to come. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo and sa mga darating pang araw. Happy birthday again. God bless. Bye.
My best friend, kumusta ang birthday girl natin ngayon? Okay na ba? Naka-recover na ba? Sana yung sakit na mararanasan natin itong taon na to sa buhay natin is pagsubok lang. Laban lang tayo ng laban. Nandito kami mga kaibigan mo, nagmamahal sa'yo ng totoo at hindi mawawala. Wish ko lang yung pain na naranasan mo, next birthday, hindi na mararanasan. Happy birthday, RM.
RM, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. I wish more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. And thanks for accepting me in our group. And thanks for being a good administrator in our group. And I wish that you will fulfill your dreams in your life, especially with your kids. Happy birthday again, and may God bless you always. Love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, RM. Wishing you luck and more birthdays to come. Enjoy. Good luck.
Happy birthday, RM. God bless you. Salamat guys sa pagtulong sa akin dito sa munting greetings natin para sa kanya. Hindi man tayo na kompleto, pero sana yung mga hindi nakapagbigay ng greetings, kayo lang bumati ng individual. Salamat sa inyo lahat guys. God bless.